Coming back to the most interesting topic that we have been discussing for a while right now on LinkedIn and all of those places is how do we bring a high performing team together? How do we build a team that will help you build businesses that last? There are four things that will make a team a peak performing team. Number one, make sure that every single team member has a very clear KPI on what they need to achieve. Number two, break down the goals into the smaller pieces. Like, what do I do this week? What do I do this month? What do I do this quarter? Be it achieving $1 million in sales target, be it building a great brand, be it building that app or the product that your product engineering team is working on. Run in sprints that will help you win. The third and most important thing is empower your team. Whether it's a developer, whether it is a testing engineer, whether it is a sales manager, or it's your vice president of marketing, make sure that they're fully empowered to decide, plan, and execute. The last thing, make sure as a leader you stand in the front when things don't work, when things fail, and you stand in the last when it's time to give away credits to the team. So these are four things that will help you build world-class teams that create real impact and real businesses.